A baker from Goa. 8 questions VE answers. 1. Who is a baker known as in Goa? A baker is known as a patter in Goa. 2. Why were bakers important in Goan villages? Bakers were important because they supplied bread, loaves, and buns, which were an essential part of daily life. 3. What role did bread play in Goan marriages? Bread was essential for marriage feasts, and no wedding was considered complete without it. 4. How did the baker announce his arrival? The baker announced his arrival by ringing a bamboo staff. 5. What clothes did the traditional Goan baker wear? The traditional baker wore a kabai, a single-piece long frock reaching the knees. 6. Why were bakers called jolly figures? They were called jolly figures because they were well-fed and healthy, showing that baking was a profitable job. 7. How did villagers pay the baker for his services? Villagers paid the baker monthly, often in cash or kind. 8. What shows that the baking tradition still survives in Goa? The continued presence of bread sellers and bakers in villages shows that the tradition still survives. Coorg, 9 questions VE answers. 9. Where is Coorg located? Coorg is located between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore in Karnataka. 10. Why is Coorg called the Scotland of India? It is called the Scotland of India because of its green hills, misty landscapes, and cool climate. 11. What is the main crop grown in Coorg? Coffee is the main crop grown in Coorg. 12. What is the weather like in Coorg? The weather is pleasant throughout the year, with cool summers and cold winters. 13. How are the Coorg people believed to be of Greek origin? They are believed to be descendants of Greek soldiers who settled there long ago. 14. Which river originates from the hills of Coorg? The river Kaveri originates from the hills of Coorg. 15. What adventure activities can tourists enjoy in Coorg? Tourists can enjoy river rafting, trekking, rock climbing, and mountain biking. 16. Why are the Coorgs known for their bravery? They are known for their bravery because many Coorgs have served in the Indian Army. 17. How does nature add to the beauty of Coorg? Nature adds beauty through forests, coffee plantations, rivers, birds, and wildlife. Tea from Assam. 8 questions VE answers. 18. Why did Rajver and Pranjal visit Assam? They visited Assam to see the tea plantations, as Pranjal's father worked in a tea garden. 19. What legends are associated with the discovery of tea? Legends say tea was discovered by accident when tea leaves fell into hot water. 20. How was tea discovered by the Chinese? A Chinese emperor discovered tea when tea leaves fell into boiling water while he was drinking it. 21. What did Rajver see while traveling through Assam? He saw vast tea gardens, workers plucking tea leaves, and green tea bushes. 22. Why did Rajver call tea a very popular drink? He called it popular because over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day worldwide. 23. How long does a tea plant take to grow? A tea plant takes nearly 5 years to be ready for plucking. 24. Why was Assam suitable for tea plantations? Assam has hot climate, heavy rainfall, and fertile soil, which are ideal for tea cultivation. 25. What information about tea surprised Pranjal? Pranjal was surprised by the legends and facts Rajver shared about the history of tea.